How to fix add topic option not showing on Instagram Reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the add topic option not showing on Instagram Reels. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, let us check out the problem. So whenever you're trying to upload a reel, you will be on this page right here. This is the edit section. Now if you scroll down, you will see add tag people, add location, rename audio, and different options. If you head over to more options, you will see add topics on the top. If you head over there, you will be able to select up to 3 topics to match your reels with your viewers. So if this option is not showing up in your Instagram reels, this is how you fix it. The reason why this is happening can be that your Instagram is not updated to its latest version. So simply search for Instagram in your App Store or Google Play Store and update if an update is available. Tap on update and just wait for it to get update and open it up and check if the add topic option is now available. If it's still not available, you can head back, you can head over to settings. You can scroll down, you can head over to general, iPhone storage, simply search for Instagram here. So let us search for Instagram and then offload the app and reinstall it back if the problem is solved. If the problem is solved, you're good to go. If it's not solved, what you can know is that the Instagram might have just removed the feature completely from the device, or they are just removing it for some time and it will get available back again. So yeah, that is basically how you fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye.